As you know that the carbon is an element which has several bondings. Like the carbon has a special qualification or the characteristics that can make different kinds of bonding with different hydrogen atoms. So in this lecture we'll be discussing about the different carbon atoms. So at the initial we will be talking about the CH4, like a single carbon with 4 hydrogen sticks to them without any bonding. So let's make its representation. As I told you, there are some steps. So according to those steps we will make the construction. First of all, first step states that central atom. We know that the central atom are those atoms which has less contribution in the representation or geometrical representation. So here we know that the hydrogen have 4 atoms and carbon has only 1 atom. So here the less contributor is carbon. So we will place carbon at the center and hydrogen at the degree of the 90 across the carbon. At the second step, it states that valency filling. So we will make the bonds of that, like as I told you that there would be central atoms from the central atom we will make the bondings like that. After the bondings we know that we have 4 bonds here. So we will make it as compared to S, like it will be at the x-axis in the first step. Second one would be at the P, and here the P is of X, little bit higher energy. Then after P there is PY, and after PY it's PZ. Like these both atoms have pi bond in it, and these both atoms have sigma bond in it because it is in the X shell. After that step is hybridization. So hybridization of the atom means the mixing of the atom. So we will mix all the orbitals that we have. After that mixing, we will be having a hybrid orbital, and that orbital is known as sp3. Now we will be known that all these axes spy is at the sp3 orbital. Or we can say that it's a tetrahedron with the card-shaped shape. After that, then the last step is the construction, or we can say that we have to draw that structure. So here B represents the H and A represents the carbon. So this would be the construction of that. So here C2H4 means there are 2 carbons and 4 hydrogen. Now again here the central atom would be carbon because it is less contributor. Now we know that will be confusion that why there are 2 carbons here, because we know that a single carbon have 4 electrons in his valence orbit, and when we join 2 different carbon atoms with bonding of 2 hydrogens, so we will place a double bond in the center because there would be 2 electrons that will be free. So those 2 electrons would make the bonding, and after that valency filling would be like this. And here we know that these hydrogen are at this s-axis, then P, and then again P, so it will be kind of that. After that hybridization of that electron would be sp3 tetrahedron, and the final construction will be like this. After that, when we are talking about 2 carbons plus 2 hydrogen, so again their central would be carbon. Why? Because carbon have 3 bondings here. So because of 3 bondings, it will be represented in the linear form, and the degree here would be 180. hybridization as valency filling is written here. Now, after the hybridization of that electron, it would be of sp3. So, the final look will be like this. And for more molecular representation, watch my videos in the description. And that's all about today's lecture. Thank you.